Strapped to a gurney in George's death chamber, Troy Davis lifted his head and declared one last time that he did not kill police officer Mark McPhail. Just a few feet away behind a glass window, McPhail's son and brother watched in silence. Outside the prison, a crowd of more than 500 demonstrators cried, hugged, prayed, and held candles. They represented hundreds of thousands of supporters worldwide who took up the anti-death penalty cause as Davis' final days ticked away. "I am an innocent man," Davis said, moments before he was executed Wednesday night. "All I can ask is that you look deeper into this case so that you really can finally see the truth. I ask my family and friends to continue to fight this fight." Troy Davis executed. You hear it here first.